You were the child with the voice that made people stop and listen. Maybe it was a teacher who said, "Wow, you have talent." Maybe it was a family member who smiled and said, "You should take lessons." Maybe you sang in the backseat of the car, belting out songs like you were on a stage, dreaming of the day you'd really be trained, the day your voice would be developed into something incredible. And you believed it would happen. You asked for lessons. But the response was always the same, maybe one day. And so you waited. But one day never came. You grew up, and before you knew it, that child with the big voice and even bigger dreams was replaced by an adult who still had the same dream, but now with doubt. What if I had started lessons back then? What if, instead of wondering what if, you finally took action? Imagine where your voice could be a year from now, strong, trained, and refined with the technique you never got as a child. This isn't just about voice lessons. This is your chance to say yes to your voice. Because the truth is, one day isn't coming. The only time you have is now. Will you finally say yes to your voice?